Uh, Good afternoon. Um, this is my tourism investigations research findings. Well, I'll be talking about my business proposal of street food cooking course. In this work, I'll be presenting my business proposal by analyzing the review deeply, explore all the findings that I've obtained during my research. I'll be answering the aim and giving recommendations, and key factors will be analyzed, such as why this would be a right investment for the demographics of the area, why this attraction would work based on a study made, and studies that can prove the feasibility of the attraction. There's a lot of demographic factors that support the creation of these attractions, such. There's been an increase of population of 13% since 2011, due to the high number of immigrants coming into the city. It's the second most multicultural city after London in the UK, with almost 200 nationalities. And it has the highest demographic of people, being young adults between 20 and 24 years old, which covers the target market. These demographic factors show that there is, in fact, a feasibility in creating the attraction, being that this is an attraction that will cover a multicultural demographic, being that this is a street food of all the four main continents, and Birmingham is a multicultural city. When it comes to competition, there is no direct competition on the city because there is no street food cooking course on the city that offers a short course on the city. There is only indirect competitors. We can point something out such as Jimmy Spices, which is a global food restaurant in the same lane as the street food course, but not quite the same thing. We can point out Digbet Dining Club, which is a place where people go for street food. And we can also point out Birmingham College of Food, who give short courses and small street food stands around the Bullring area. All of them could be considered as indirect competitors, but when it comes to competition, we can say there will be no direct competitors for this attraction, being that there is no street food short course on the whole city. Therefore, it increases the hypothesis of success. The location is definitely a stronghold for the attraction when it comes to attracting clientele, being that the Birmingham Canal is situated next to Brindley Place. The Birmingham Canal, according to studies, attract millions of tourists every year. The area where the attraction will be located, it's full of places to eat, famous streets such as Broad Street, and accommodations such as Premier Inn of Brindley Place, which means a lot of people circulate around that area. Therefore, there will be a lot of clientele for the attraction. There is also a high business market chance. According to Zoe Wood, average hotel occupancy reached 75%, highest ever recorded. The city is multicultural with high demographic. Therefore, there's a higher chance of people taking the course. Also, people will sell their profits during the end of the course, and a small percentage will be kept to the attraction. Therefore, the attraction will be making money in the beginning of the course and by the end of the course. According to Birmingham City Airport Executive. There's been an increase in international and national visitors arriving on the city. Therefore, there's been more people on the city, the population been increasing. So this is the right time to invest in a tourism attraction because the population has been increasing and more people have come to live in the city, and more people come just for visit the city. According to studies made by Street Online Journal, Birmingham is considered the third most best city to eat street food. Therefore, we can say street food is trending in Birmingham. Therefore, people come to consume street food, so they might be interested in learning how to make that street food. Therefore, this is a good tourism investment. With this presentation, I can conclude that there is indeed high feasibility chance in investing in this attraction, according to studies made and number provided. Clientele will be interested in coming to take this course, being that this is a short one that covers a multicultural public. The price will be accessible for the target market, bearing in mind the disposable income that Birmingham inhabitants possess. Thank you.